Hey friends! It's me, Mia. And guess what day it is? It's Father's Day. Type Happy Father's Day in the comments if you love your dad too. And this year, I've planned the best surprise ever for my dad. But he doesn't know. Wanna help me? If yes, say, "We're in, Mia," out loud. Did you say it? Awesome! Let's go! What can we do for Papa? We could bake a cake. Wait, I almost burnt cookies last time. We could make a card, or maybe a treasure hunt. Meera, no. Crayons aren't for eating, silly. I got it. We'll make a super special card and a secret surprise show. First, Operation Awesome Card. Your tiny handprint will make Papa go, "Aw." Good job, Meera. Next, our Father's Day surprise show. I'll tell some jokes, do a dance, and Meera, you'll be the star with your cute baby wave. You're a natural. Okay, everyone watching, what's your favorite dance move? Show it now or type it in the comments. Let's see if we match.
Whoa, what's all this?
Happy Father's Day, Papa.
This is beautiful, my girls.
And now, for our surprise show. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
Best Father's Day ever.
That's it for today, friends. If you loved our Father's Day surprise, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to M&M Stories for more fun adventures. And hey, tell us in the comments, what makes your dad awesome?